Hi, I'm Liz Pinel. I'm a professor of psychology at the University of Vermont. I am a social psychologist, and broadly speaking, I study the interpersonal factors that contribute to interpersonal health. Most recently, I've been pursuing NSF-funded research that asks what interpersonal experiences satisfy people's psychological needs and in turn enable them to be good interaction partners, pro-social, be good perspective takers, etc. I also have a passion for nutrition and Ayurveda, and while pursuing that research, I thought that I was leaving out an important part of the puzzle. Namely, I was leaving out what happens, or answers to the question of what happens when people's physical needs are met. And so I decided I wanted to study this in the context of Ayurveda, which doesn't solely focus on the physical, but certainly a large piece of Ayurveda involves dietary and lifestyle changes. And so I put together a team of collaborators consisting of myself, Dr. Jessica Crothers, Dr. Peter Moses, and Allison Morse, who heads the Ayurvedic Center of Vermont. And we decided to pursue a group of people who were practicing an Ayurvedic home cleanse. An Ayurvedic home cleanse is prescribed at the change of seasons, primarily from winter into spring and from summer into autumn. This particular group of participants cleansed from winter into spring, and we identified a group of 15 participants whom we measured prior to a home cleanse and then 2 to 3 weeks after their home cleanse, and we had a comparison group of participants who did not cleanse. All of our participants were very interested in Ayurveda and already incorporated some aspects of Ayurveda into their lifestyle, so this was a healthy group of participants to begin with. And given that we were particularly impressed with our findings, we observed medium to large effects on measures such as pain, nausea, problem sleeping. So I should say the cleanse groups had less pain, less nausea, fewer problems sleeping, fewer food cravings, less bloating, fewer skin issues, less tiredness, less drowsiness, less depression, less anxiety, fewer feelings of tension, greater well-being, and greater self-compassion, all compared to our control groups. We observed small to medium effects for shortness of breath, signs of illness, and ability to focus. And we observed no effects for the remainder of our variables, including things like constipation, heartburn, diarrhea. But I should say that, again, our sample was very healthy, and they had very limited problems in those areas to begin with. So that represents the beginning of our research. We also have data that we've collected from fecal samples that we are in the process of analyzing. We also have data from significant others and their reports of changes in the participants as a function of the cleanse. So we'll be continuing this research as well as pursuing follow-ups. Thank you.